Okay, I just opened the box, the top lid. This was all wrapped up into here. This is the Komatsu PC700, made by the Mother Old School company out in Italy. Those are, I believe, extra buckets and rippers. And while I was shopping around and came across the Caterpillar Wedico 740 that somebody from Italy was selling, so I asked Paolo, the owner of the Mother Old School, if he can pick it up, and he went out of his way, about I believe 150 miles in Italy, to pick up the Cat 740 for me. So we shipped both of them at the same time. I just can't believe how large these cylinders are. I mean, I've seen pictures of it when he was sending it to me, but I just couldn't comprehend how large they are until I saw it in person. So I'm about to release all these. These are really well put together, and as you can see, this is really fragile and it's all intact. Really nice. He did a really good job packing it up. It's all bundled up pretty nice. These are the tracks, really solid. Looks like this is a stand for the excavator. So I'm gonna open it up right now and we'll come back in a little bit. The bucket's pretty big too. You can put my whole fist in there and there's still room in there. It's pretty massive.